Welcome to Childs Mowing TV, where we bring the facts to focus. I'm your host, Brandon Childs, and this is the episode 1 of Childs Mowing. Let's get started. In this topic of this video, we'll be discussing 4 main grass seeds and their characteristics. The main grass seeds we'll be discussing is annual ryegrass, red fescue, Kentucky bluegrass, and a drought-defying mix. Now you may be wondering why these 3 bags. Well, I'll simply tell you this. These 3 bags are annual ryegrass, drought-defying mix, and a red fescue. We don't have Kentucky bluegrass with us today because, simply stated, they just didn't have it in stock. Clearly not the season for it, but at least I got the 3 main grass seeds. Let's get started. Red fescue is a drought-resistant grass seed. It has a very deep root system. It grows best in shaded areas and along slopes. It germinates between 5 and 14 days, depending on temperature, soil type, precipitation, and other main factors. It is very hard to plant, so mixing it in with other grass seeds is exceptionally great idea. Around the yard and shared areas, you spread that grass seed, you got red fescue in it, and you're in the winning ballpark. Next, we have annual ryegrass, which is this guy right here. This grass is known for its nutrient-rich factors. Fun fact, annual ryegrass can produce anywhere between 4 to 8,000 pounds. Yes, I said 1,000 pounds per acre. It also does have a very dense root system, which makes it for a perfect nurse plant for any cool climate crops, like Kentucky bluegrass or a bentgrass. The root system makes for a great structuring of soil, allowing water and other oxygen concentrates to adequately mix into the soil and form beautiful microbials for optimum production. Depending on temperature, soil type, precipitation, and other main factors, this grass seed should germinate between 7 and 10 days. That's it for that grass seed. Next, we will be talking about Kentucky bluegrass, the only grass seed that we don't have with us today, but let's get started. Next, Kentucky bluegrass is a great turf grass. This grass is made for cool climates. It's found all around the world, including Ireland, many central parts of Europe, Kentucky, and other cool climates that's optimum for this grass to grow in. This grass has a somewhat shallow root system, so a dense rain is adequate to grow out that root system. What happens is it rains very dense, it gets down past the roots, it stays, the roots grow, tap into it, and it'll be great. When that happens, you get a great structure of a turf, and you have beautiful color across your whole lawn. Last, we have a drought-defying mix, which is this guy right here. This drought-defying mix is made for hedging against the future, guys. You plant this mix in the yard, and if something happens, like if there's a major drought, you just hedge against the future. You just save yourself from replanting your investment. Guys, this grass seed is mixed in to a percentage of about 75% red fescue, 10% Kentucky bluegrass, 10% ryegrass, and 5% other particles. It grows best in shady areas in a sandy composite soil. This mix will develop a very dense root system with medium texture blades. It will germinate between 7 days and 3 weeks. 3 weeks because of the Kentucky bluegrass it takes to develop the turf. At the end result, your turf will be phenomenal. It'll have a great dark green color, and you won't have any patches across your lawn as long as you maintain it properly. This is a great mix if you have shaded areas due to the red fescue which grows great in shaded areas, guys. All right, guys, that's all I got for you today. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day. Bye now.